Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's out in the kitchen at the moment. This is something to fit today. This is another piece of missing wall. So we go up to the loft and fit that. That's cool. Postman come today. Bought me a real cheap mail coach to go with my LMS rake. That's cool. She's got metal wheels. It's an operating coach. So that's that one, and the parcels rate gets a little bit longer with another Lima siphon. I think it's a Lima. Lima? Yeah, it's a Lima, yeah. I said my rake of parcel wagons wasn't going to get any bigger, but it seems to have jumped another coach longer because I couldn't resist this. I see it on eBay and I thought I just got to have that for that price. So that's that. So that's two coaches. Well, we better get ourselves up to the loft. See you up there. That's out in the kitchen, bye. Another model railway YouTuber that I watch is Mark from Main Trains, and he's managed to get into the May edition of the Model Rail magazine. So he's on page 16. Cool, Mark. Well done. I'm really impressed, mate. Well done. So I've put a little link in the description below to take you to Mark's site. Excellent site, it is very much. Okay, welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Alan back in the loft. We'll switch some power on. Get ready to run some trains. Nothing happening at the moment. The loft is a real mess. So I'm just going to have a quick clean up and then we'll get on with today's items. I've had a few messages saying, where am I? Am I okay? Is everything alright? Yeah, I'm afraid the pubs are open, the motorcycle beckons and the camper van. And there goes the depot with the tankers. And I'm just trying out the two, either ratio or, well, they're plastic kits. And they're actually on the back there, so let's see how they perform. I've done a lap so far. This is the bit of scenic work I done the other day, and I apologise if I sounded a bit ratty, but returning to the loft and seeing it for the first time, I think, well, yeah, it's okay. I can live with that. So yeah, let's see what else is new. Well, there goes the oil tanker again, I mean the tanker train again. And on the back are these two plastic kits. I think they look very nice. I've got a funny feeling they're ratio. They've got metal wheels. They've done a half a dozen laps so far and seem to be okay. The couplings don't really match very well with the big D's. But so they've done a half a dozen laps, so take it away. There we go. There comes the S15 with the new parcels van, which is, yeah, that one. So I'm quite happy with that. That's a really nice parcels train now. Look at the length of it. Too much. So this is one of those one I made earlier type situations. I made this in the kitchen and she's gonna go in here. All these little bits are slowly adding up and yeah, making it look more real. Really quite happy. So in you go. Right on the edge. Right on the edge, go on. Lovely jubbly. We're yeah. Let's send the train by and make sure that clears okay. And onwards and upwards. And I've just won on eBay another Hornby large tank. 4-wheeler, but a big one. And this, let's get a better picture of it. Come on, that's it. This is my one and only Trix It looks quite a good wagon. It's funny enough on metal wheels. Runs really well. It's a Trix. The only problem is it has Hornby style. Ooh, what's happened to the focus? Hornby style connectors, but they look suspiciously like mountings for the big D. So I'll find some little screws and I shall Aldite some big D's on this one and only Trix. It's quite a nice looking wagon actually. It's got metal ladders which are a bit wonky, but yeah, I shall give it a quick fettling and that will join the tanker wagons. Somebody was moaning the other day that I can't run petrol wagons and milk wagons together, but I can, because I'm God of Buckland Junction. So all the time I'm God, I can run what I like. But at some point I will have a milk train and a petrol or oil train. So for now we can run a milk and fuel together, but at some point I shall have enough of both to have 2 tanker trains in the siding. So back in a minute. Very nice. Today's task is 1, to try and lose this piece of packing card in there, and I might have a go at statting grass without getting angry there. So back in a minute. Oh, where are we? Whoops. I think we should get the other train running then, maybe. Yeah, let's do that. There we go, that's that little piece hidden in there. So we're getting ready for some more static grass, and while I'm doing this, listen, can you hear somebody? It's that Jenny Kirk. I'm watching Jenny Kirk while working on the cliffs here. Here we go again. Taking my time this time. I've got my dog clip on the rail. Oh, it is standing up. Yes, it's definitely standing up. Ah. Yes, that is standing up, so interesting. Okay. Yes, definitely standing up. Okay, we'll give that a hoover off in a minute and see what that looks like. It worked. There we go, see what it looks like tomorrow when it's dry. Well, that's good. That's good. This time I've used dead grass, I think it was called, or was it straw? I can't remember. But no, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Whoa! Well, there we have it. I better end this video here and post it up to Facebook, because that's about all I've got to show. But my static grass did work. It's different colour to that one, so I'm quite happy with that. Send these trains off now. Well, I was going to send these off and then do a bit of a running session, but there seems to be a bit of an issue because the S15 is missing some parcels van. Right over the other side of the layout, so I'm just going to send her back so we can have a little running session. So go on, back you go and get your carriages you can't be bothered to drag around. Look, go on, back you go. Right, I'll go and sort this out. I'll be back in a minute. Right, you stay there, man. Here she comes, there she is. Right, have you got all of your train? Yes. Okay, right. Right, I think this is the N2. I call her the Dapple because it's the only one I've got. So let's do a bit of running before we put this up. So off you go, nice and gently. Yeah, nicely done too. The kit built tankers seem to be fine, absolutely fine. So right, let's see, wants to see some fast running out of you today, please. So nice and gently. I mean, that is gentle, isn't that? Crikey, it's turned out to be such a nice locomotive, that, but everybody warns me that the motor's got a short life, but I wonder how many miles I put on her. Who's coming first? Oh, both at the same time. Yeah, there goes those two kit tankers on the back. They're doing well, really well. I don't know where the other one is at the moment. Oh dear, so I switch off or shall I wait? Well, I think that's it from Buckland Junction. I've got a few jobs to do in the kitchen tonight to keep me busy. We have this little bit here now joined up. This is the joint between the two boards, so yeah, we're on our way to getting that sorted. The Esso tankers, them kit tankers have done really well. They've done about, I don't know, 30 laps or more now. I'm quite happy with that. As I don't do Facebook, if anybody can help do a share on Facebook and all these other social media things, I'm in my 60s and I don't really understand it. I did have a Facebook page, but I decided to shut it down for some reason. So if you can pop me on Facebook or... Oh, there's so many names I can't even think. I haven't got a clue what TikTok is. There we go. I haven't got a clue what TikTok is. And if you can do one of them for me, that would be nice. Right, that's Alan in the loft. I'm going down in the kitchen for a dinner and a beer, and well, I'll catch you all soon. More to come, more to follow. That's Alan in the loft. Bye. Out. Well, thanks for watching. If you can share, please do. It's couplings night tonight. I've got what have I got? Yeah, this one's got the Continental type coupling on it. Yeah, this one's fine. He's got two couplings. This has only got one coupling on one end. And this, whoops, the camera works rubbish, isn't it? And this has got the kind of old Hornby type. So I'll get them sorted out. And maybe we'll see a bit of a freight train on the next running session. So that's Alan in the kitchen. Take care. Thanks for watching. And I suppose that all it leaves me to say is Alan out. Take care. Bye.